All right, gang, I want to show you a fun little paint set that we have picked up. This is an acrylic paint set actually made by Chalkola. This is a fun, what I would call a summer fun kind of paint set, especially if you got kids interested in art. This is a 56-piece pack that comes with a lot of different things for your kids to start learning. A little bit more than just your watercolors and your basic stuff. This is a step up into their artistic training and abilities. These are acrylic paints, and it does come with, I believe, 32 different colors of acrylic paints here. 4, 8. Yep. It does come with 32 different colors of acrylic paints. So these are very nice, very brightly colored, very vivid acrylic paints here. And it comes with all the stuff that you're going to need to start on your basic projects, from a little paint palette for you to put out your different colors, a paint knife so that you can be mixing them, a bunch of different paint brushes, a sponge so that you can apply in different ways. It does come with a big heavy duty table easel. It does come with 10 different canvases, all the way from your little 2x2s all the way up to your 8x10s. I believe there's 5 8x10s, so that you have everything you need to start on this set. I think this is a great starter set. Teaches kids about colors, teaches them about mixing colors, teaches them a little bit more in depth than your just basic little rinky-dink sets. If you're looking for a good, what I would call intermediate art set to help your kids this summer learn and to play and to get a little bit more into art and creativity, I think you're gonna love this. I think this is the way to go. It's made by Chalkola. Check it out.